Hey designers, let's create this animation in After Effects. Start by creating a new composition. Set it to 1280 by 1280 pixels. Import the social media app icons, which are transparent PNGs you've downloaded. Drag and drop them onto the timeline. Next, we'll need a circle with only a stroke. Align this circle vertically and horizontally, then move it below all the layers. Use it as a reference to arrange the icons on the composition. After arranging all the icons, remove the circle shape layer. Now, let's create a null object for that. Go to Layer, New, Null Object. To move the anchor point to the center of this null object, double-click on the anchor point tool while holding the Ctrl key on your keyboard, then align it accordingly. Select all the icon layers and parent them to the null object. Now, select the null object, press R for rotation, and click on the stopwatch next to rotation. Move the timeline indicator to the 10-second frame and trim the timeline accordingly. At the 10-second mark, set the rotation value to 180 degrees. Now, let's watch the animation. It's moving in a circle, but the icons are also moving downward. To fix this, select all the icon layers, press R for rotation. Move the timeline indicator to the first frame. Click on the stopwatch next to rotation. Then move the timeline indicator to the 10-second frame, and set the rotation value to -180 degrees. Now, let's watch the animation. Let's pre-compose it. Go to Layer, Pre-compose. Now, let's add a background. Import the background image and adjust its scale accordingly. Scale down the pre-composed icon layer as needed. Now, import the gradient layer for the background. Adjust its scale. And change the blending mode from normal to multiply. Finally, let's add text. Create some space by moving the elements downwards. Select the text tool and paste the text. Let us handle your social media. Change the font style for social media to something else and move it to the next line. Select all the text and adjust the font size and spacing between them. Decrease the spacing as needed. Align the text on the composition. And you're done. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe to Ace Designs.